Hey guys, Goose with NewBeeDrone here. Today we're going to be checking out a brand new product from NewBeeDrone called the Candy Props. The Candy Props are going to be your standard 31mm size props. That means they're going to fit in all your standard frames, the cockroach frame, the tiny whip frames, the stock inductor style frames. It's going to work in all of those. Each bag of our Candy Props is going to come in a bag that includes 20 props altogether. You're going to get 2 sets of each color, counterclockwise and clockwise. Our props come in 5 different flavors. First, we've got the grape, we've got the melon, blueberry, lemon, and cherry. So what's really cool about these props, besides them being these awesome translucent colors, is that they're actually better than normal props. For starters, we've got 4 blades on this prop compared to the traditional King Kong props that have the 3 blades. With the 4 blade props, we've actually found it's easier to get more thrust out of them than the 3 bladed props. If we flip the prop over, on the bottom on the inside, you can see we've got these 4 strut braces that go all the way from the base all the way straight to the end. And now what this does is it makes the prop not flex as much when you're flying. So I'm going to grab the King Kong for example. You can see it's just got this hollowness around the inside where it's only got 3 little supports kind of very in the end right there. You can kind of barely see them. Here's some other examples of props that are out on the market, and you can see even these still don't have the bracing that goes all the way through the body. So what that means is the body of this prop is going to be able to flex inward on itself more whenever you're doing aggressive flying or any kind of cornering and stuff. What this will lead to is the prop actually vibrating because the shape of the body is changing, which in return will give you less efficiency and less power. With the Candy Props, you can see we have the bracing all the way through the entire body of the prop. This is going to prevent the body from flexing in and changing any of the balance of the prop or the efficiency. So you're going to get more power, less noise, and better efficiency with the Candy Props. If you guys are interested in getting a set of your own Candy Props, you can grab these at NewBeeDrone.com. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.